Leitukus garage began with laughter. I was taking pictures at Esther's wedding when I heard clapping and cheering from down the street and thought, well, there must be a victory celebration of some sort going on near the Leitukus garage. But when I got there, I couldn't believe my eyes. The civilian townspeople, armed with rifles, had herded 50 or 60 Jewish men into the garage. The Jews were forced to clean horse manure off the floor with their bare hands. When they were done, they were led to a hose and told to wash up. The bystanders just laughed, but the voice that chilled me the most was the one I knew.
Now we'll have some real fun!
The civilians attacked the Jews with sticks, spades, rifle butts, and other tools from the garage. Some wore white armbands, and when the Jews collapsed, they forced the hoses into their mouths and turned them on.
Get up! Get up!
A young man named Algirda Pavalkis grabbed an old man by his hair and dragged him across the lot. And he struck the old man with a crowbar. Sometimes it only took one blow. Other times 2 or 3. Within 45 minutes, this young man had beaten over 50 Jews to death. And when he was done, Algirda and Tanya Pavalkis tossed his crowbar to one side, fetched an accordion, stood beside the mountain of corpses, and played the Lithuanian national anthem. The townspeople sang. In the front row, women with children in their arms stayed for the entire thing. The townspeople laughed and clapped and sang. Apparently the night before, Algirda's parents were dragged from their beds and were accused of being enemies of the state. So they were shot on the spot. And Algirda blamed the Jews. He believed the anti-Semitic propaganda that blamed Jews for Soviet occupation. He believed the Jews were responsible for his suffering. And this crowd, these Lithuanian civilians, mothers, fathers, policemen, workers, some Nazi soldiers, this crowd did nothing except watch and laugh and clap and sing. And take photos.